to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Twee. Welcome to my channel. I have been knocking these full face makeup tutorials out recently. Today we are doing a very highly requested video. You guys have been in my comments requesting NYX cosmetics, so I'm going to be deep diving into NYX today. I'm trying out the primer, foundation, eyeshadow, lip products. So if you guys want to see how creases look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I literally just washed my skin and I applied on some moisturizer. So I'm going to be showing you guys my eyebrows on camera today, and this portion is partially sponsored by JML, which I'm so grateful for. I feel like my YouTube is like really picking up recently, and so many more brands are noticing my YouTube, which is like so insane to me. Okay, so this is what the JML eyebrow magic product looks like. It comes in 3 different shades: dark brown, auburn, and dark blonde. So as you guys can see, I've got black hair, so I'm going to go for the darkest out of the lot. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. It has a quad tip, so it mimics hair-like strokes. It's a really long wearing formula. I've actually already tried this out and it literally lasted all day. You guys can see, look at that. You can literally draw like little fine hair strokes as well, and it's perfect for that microblade effect. What I really like about this product is that it's not too dark, because whenever you want the microblade effect, I find a lot of these kind of products, they leave literally like stripes because they're so dark. So this formula is super long wearing, it's smudge proof, so I'm literally like rubbing it, it's not coming off. I'm literally pressing like so hard here. It lasts up to 24 hours, which is amazing. Okay, so this is just my eyebrows with no product on there at all. My eyebrows are tattooed. There's this area here that I literally don't have no hair, so I literally have to draw in hair-like strokes in that area. So I'm literally going to do short little light strokes just at the front here. So I'm literally just brushing this through, and then I'm also going to go downwards as well, and I'm going to create hair-like strokes that goes down. So I'm literally just kind of following the shape of my natural kind of brow already. Okay, so I literally just filled in my brow, and I just literally do like short hair-like strokes. I do it really lightly, and then you slowly build it until you get your eyebrow however dark you want it. So I literally turn the brush just on its side, and I literally go straight upwards, so I can create these strokes a bit more vertical, going upwards, just so it looks a bit more natural. And then when I go back into the brow, I flip it and then change it to the angle that I want my eyebrows to be. Literally, I've done this eyebrow in like 2 minutes. So after, of course, you're just gonna go around your eyebrow with concealer and all that stuff. Okay, so I just finished both of my eyebrows. You guys can see that it's filled in really nicely. So if you guys are interested in the eyebrow magic, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box. You can also use my code that I'll put here. You guys can get some money off as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by priming my skin. I'm gonna use the Angel Veil from NYX. I actually really love this primer. It's very lightweight. If you want something that's gonna like fill in the pores, this is amazing, and it's super affordable as well. That's something that I love about NYX. I feel like they have so many products. They have stores that you can go into, swatch all the products. They're also now available in Boots, and I think even Superdrug now. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this bit here is a bit more matte, and it feels really smooth as well. Okay, so I just got a brand new foundation from NYX. We're going to be trying it out today. It might be really lightweight coverage. If it is too lightweight, then I'm going to go on top with some like more concealer to like give me more coverage, because I'm actually going out today. So this is the Born to Glow foundation. So I got the shade Buff, Beige, and True Beige. So I'm going to try True Beige. This is normally the colour that I am in NYX. Okay, so I'm doing like a little swatch here. This is True Beige. I'm also going to try Buff. Oh, I quite like that shade. It's a bit more olivey. So the next colour I'm trying is just Beige. This one looks very yellow. Okay, that shade is way too dark for me. I think I like this shade the most. Like these 2 shades, the undertones is just too yellowy for me. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Buff. Okay, so I'm just gonna squirt some on my face. Ooh, that's the only thing that I hate about these tubes. They have so much air into it, and then you get a little foundation fart popping out. Ooh, please excuse me while I'm filming an Instagram video. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Juno sponge, and I'm literally just like pouncing this all over my skin. Oh, this is a really nice colour match actually. I honestly think that if you haven't got a lot of money but you want to do some bomb as makeup looks. Morphe and NYX are like the two places to go to because their products have really good quality behind them, and also their pigment really stands out. They have a huge range of products to create like a full face from, and both of them have stores as well that you can easily pop into. Okay, so I just applied that foundation on all over, and you know what, it actually gave me a lot more coverage than I thought it would. I applied a little bit on my hand and I was like, oh great, it's gonna be one of those sheer moisturizers with a little bit of a tint in it, but actually it gave me a lot of coverage. I don't know if it's because I've done a little crazy Instagram moment and I was just like squeezing the product all over my face, but I'm actually really happy with the coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade True Beige, and your girl is so lazy I can't even be bothered to take off the plastic wrap, and I literally just open it like this, and we're gonna keep the plastic on it forever probably. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some of this on your belt. Oh my god, this is very yellow, guys. This undertone is not cute. It's literally like putting pure yellow underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go with another shade. It's called Medium Olive, which sounds more up my street. I need a shade a bit lighter. It's not going to brighten much, is it? I'm going to use this sponge. How cool is it? It's like a bright yellow sponge. It's from Coloured Raine. It's such a cool colour. I'm just going to pounce this underneath my eyes. This sponge actually feels so soft. Okay, so that concealer is really nice. It didn't crease up a lot, which is really good. So if you're looking for a good full coverage concealer, honestly, the NYX one is really nice. The foundation that matches this concealer, I find, is a lot more dry and a lot more matte, which is why I didn't use it today. I don't recommend the foundation that goes along with this unless you have really oily skin and you want a hella full coverage, but this product is really good. I'm going to go and powder my skin now. I'm going to go in with the Can't Stop or Won't Stop Powder Foundation in Medium Olive. Okay, so I'm literally dusting this product all over my skin just to set everything. And this product is a powder foundation, so I would only recommend it if you like full coverage. If you want something a bit more lightweight, then maybe try more of like a loose powder, because this product gives you coverage, which is what I like, because I like a full beat. Okay, so for bronzing and contouring, I'm going to go in with the Professional Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I've had this for such a long time. I've given it away, and then I've got a new one given to me. And honestly, this product is so nice. The only reason why I give it away is because this product is suited for makeup artists out there. So whenever I meet like a makeup artist, I'm like, you need this in your kit. If you want something affordable, you're trying to build up your makeup kit, and you want like really nice contour shades. Also, this shade is really good for bronzing. It goes down to deeper shades. If you've got someone with a deeper complexion, this product still shows up on them. So I'm going to go in with this one first. I'm going to bronze my skin with it. Just going to put this around my forehead. So I'll go in with this shade here, which is a bit more grey. And then I'll just use this to lightly contour my cheeks. Okay, so the only thing that I don't have from NYX is a highlighter. I don't know why, but I don't think that NYX has a really good highlighter, or I don't have one from NYX. So I'm going to apply my highlighter and then we'll be back to do the eyes. Okay, so highlighter is on. I actually really like how my skin is looking. Nothing is creasing, nothing is cracking. It's a good sign, y'all. It's going to be a good day today. So I'm going to use the P. Louise Rumour No. 2 eyeshadow base. Okay, and I'm just going to pat this on all over. Okay, so eyeshadow wise, I have these NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palettes. They actually have so many different eyeshadow palettes at NYX. The only thing about this palette is that you probably need another palette with all the neutrals and stuff, hence why I have two of them. So we're going to use both today. So to make the base really stand out, I'm going to use this Lid Lingerie Matte Eye Tint, and it's in the shade White. So basically you just pop it onto your eyelid, just where I'm going to be putting the lilac colour, because I want basically that lilac to be lilac. So whenever you put like a white underneath, the colour you put on top is always going to stand out a lot more. Okay, so we're going to go in with the lilac-y shade right here. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this all over my eyelid. Oh my god, it's actually so pretty. It's actually going on really well. It's not going on patchy or chalky, which sometimes whenever you put matte on the eyelid, it literally can look like so thick and patchy. But this is actually going on really well, especially on top of that white base. Okay, so the lilac is on. I definitely feel like I need to deepen this crease stat because I look a bit crazy right now. So I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade right here from the Warm Neutrals palette. So I'm just going to pop this shade right on my outer crease to give it a bit more depth, because whenever you put a light shade like this on the lid, it just like blanks out any sort of definition that you have. Blending together really well. It's not overly fallouty. This brown is actually looking like very burgundy on camera, which I don't know if I wanted. I wanted a bit more like a true brown. Okay, so I'm just going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. So I'm just going to put this slightly higher, just so the brown eyeshadow has something to blend out into. Okay, so I just blended out the eyeshadow to be super, super smoky. I literally kept going and going and deepening it. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of this purple here, because it's really like calling out my name. Okay, and I'm going to pop it in between these two shades. Oh my god, it actually looks like a bright pink now on camera. The hell, it's meant to be purple, y'all. Okay, so underneath my lash line, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. It's like a dark browny red. I'm gonna blend this on my lower lash line. Actually, I don't like that shade. I'm gonna go in with this purple here instead. That shade was just a bit too burgundy. Okay, lower lash line is blended out. We're going to finish up this look with some liner and lashes. I feel like I've been blending for 10 years. My arm's going to fall off. So I'm going to go in with the Epic Ink Liner pen. I actually used this the other day and it was so good. It was almost like a brand new one. So good, so black, so inky, so fine. And then I was in such a rush, I forgot to put the lid back on it and it dried all up. But lucky I have backups. So the reason why I like this eyeliner so much is because it's literally like fine, and it's so black, it's so inky, it lasts for a long time. I love drawing on bottom eyelashes with it. If you want anything that's like a fine felt tip, this is so good, and it's so cheap and so affordable as well. So I'm doing a big flick, then I'm just going to join it up, and then I'm just going to like fill in this little triangle gap. You guys can see it literally is so black and it goes on top of the eyeshadow really, really well. So I end up going for Doll Beauty in the style Esmeralda, which is so long and fluffy. I love it. Okay, so now for lips, I'm going to line my lips using a Suede lip liner in the shade called Leon. I've only ever tried one of NYX's lip liner. It was actually really nice. It's quite similar to like the MAC formula of lip liners. If you like those kind of like pencil lip liners, you'll really like these. Okay, so this is the colour here. Gonna line my lips quickly. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go with the NYX Suede lipstick. This is in the shade Dainty Daze. It's like a really nice light nude. Just gonna apply this all over my lips. I actually really like this lipstick. It's been a while since I used a regular lipstick because I'm a lipstick liquid kind of gal these days, but nothing beats a regular lipstick, guys. Okay, guys, so that's it for this full face of NYX. Overall, I really liked how everything turned out. The foundation is getting a little bit oily around my nose, but because it's a more moisturizer foundation, that doesn't surprise me at all. Overall, there's nothing that I really hated from NYX. I definitely feel like I have so much more to try from NYX. Everything that I tried from NYX honestly has been maybe a 6, 7, 8 out of 10. There's nothing that's been like, oh my god, terrible, don't get this, you know what I mean? The only thing that I would definitely suggest that if you buy any foundation from NYX, definitely go into a store, swatch things, try it out, because some of the undertones are a bit crazy and very, very yellow. So that's something to watch out for. But overall, it's a thumbs up from me, from NYX. Also, thank you so much to JML for sponsoring part of this video. If you guys are interested in the eyebrow magic, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box. I'm also going to put my code down there as well. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Enjoy the bloopers. But today we're going to Why did I do that? Why? It's a liquid lipstick. That's not a liquid lipstick, girl. It is a matte eyelid colour. Turn down your volume! Let's listen to Korean music. Turn down your volume in the toilet, man. Jesus Christ, have a party in there. Why is this one so dry? Hello? Normally it's like so inky. Oh, there it is. So I just had to shake it up a bit. Oh my god, when I was shaking that eyeliner, literally it went everywhere. There's like black dots on everything. Okay, so for my eyelashes today, I'm gonna go... Oh my god, there was a big lump of eyeliner on my lash and I just blinked. Suede matte liquid lipstick. This is not a liquid lipstick. This is a regular lipstick, you dumb bitch.